Hello, this is Bobby at 55LE TV Repair, and this is a functionality proof video meant for the owner of that 55LE5500-UA LG mainboard. Hopefully this is their signature. This is a unique enough marker on the board. The board has been worked on before it was sent to us, and a metal sidebar that is on the right side of the board was soldered on the back. Yeah, you can see the process of desoldering. This is also soldered. There may have been something. Oh yeah, there was one missing holder, and there was a buttload of silver paste on the back. One thing about silver paste, everybody should know, less is better. It's got to be a very thin layer in order for it to transfer properly. Anyhow, the video is meant to show that the board is repaired and working. The vertical bars that you see there are just our bed panel. They can be seen in all of our functionality proof videos. And the purpose of this video is just to confirm that we got the board to work. We spoke with the customer. We told him if we get it, we will show such a video, and there'll be no warranty afterwards because the board has been previously worked on. So it is what it is. This is through HDMI 1, I guess, at the bottom. And that's it. Works fine. Thank you very much.